Well, hi friends. I am going to attempt to make something that I saw that I think you and your kids would probably enjoy making, and it's kind of maybe it's a kind of a fun lunch type of thing, or it could be you could create it as a favor for a party, or I don't really think it's a favor for a party, but it's like a little snack, but a healthy snack. So what we're going to do is we're going to be taking this apple, and we are going to be using some cheese. Now, I got Colby Jack, Monterey Jack cheese. I usually like getting the two different kinds of marbled cheddar, but that's just my favorite cheese. Maybe your cheese is mild cheddar, but either one of those would work for this this little snack we're going to create. And then we're going to need some ham, and I'm using just regular Black Forest ham from Walmart, and a little bit of lime or lemon juice. You can use fresh lemon juice. I'm going to use some lime juice from a container. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my apple in half. And actually, the very first thing I want to do is make sure the label is taken off the apple. Then I'm going to wash my apple. So I'm going to go do that, and I'll be right back. All right, so my apple has been washed. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take and cut my apple. Excuse my board. It is stained from cutting tomatoes. There's no, just has a stain on it. It's actually a clean board. I washed it. So we're just going to cut the apple, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my apple so that in quarters so that I can core it. Now, if you have a corer, you could use a corer and show your child how to core an apple. This is just a way my mom taught me how to cut apples up, and I watched her do it so many times. And just, you know, it may be the, mom or dad or whoever the oldest person is in the family. Go ahead and you be the one to cut it for your kids to just make sure that they're clean. And we're going to be slicing them even more, but I want to get the core out of it. So this is how I core them. This is how my mama taught me. So, okay. I don't know. I'm going to have to get used to this cooking and trying to videotape too at the same time. So I'm going to cut these in about a quarter inch slices is what I'm slicing them. And I'm not going to make a whole lot, so I'm going to go ahead and cover these with some lime juice and put them in a baggie to be stored for tomorrow when I'll eat them. But I'm just going to make just enough to kind of show what we're doing is what I'm going to make. So I'm going to pick out a few of these that look like they would be about the right size for what I'm wanting to do. Sorry about that. So see, I'm kind of like a little bit thin. I don't want them too thick. And I'm going to throw these to the side. All right. So what we're going to do, of course, you'll probably make more, to have with your child. And that's okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the lime juice. Now, you would take a lemon, a whole lemon, cut it in half, and then kind of squeeze it, and then just rub the juice onto the apple. And the purpose of that is to keep the apple from turning brown. In fact, I'll probably just rub those together. And I'm dousing these so that they don't turn brown on me, and I'm going to douse my other pieces while they wait to be put away. And I just put the lime juice. I don't mind. I put lime. Put lime or lemon. It's just to keep them from turning brown prematurely. It doesn't alter the flavor too bad, but I don't know. Lime may be a little different for you. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, so so now that I have my my apple pieces ready to go, I'm going to put them to the side while I cut my my cheese. So give me just a second. I'm going to clean this up and bring the cheese out. So now I'm going to do my cheese, and I'm going to cheat a little bit. I like, I don't know if you have one of these graters, but it's a grater that has the 4 different types of cuts, and then it has the slice cut. So I'm just going to use the slice cut on this. You can actually just cut these using a knife as well. You don't have to have this fancy cutter. I have just gotten into a habit of using this particular grater. I probably go through maybe one of these a week. I just really enjoy the cheese on sandwiches or as a snack, just for myself, but for kids too, you know. And this is something your child could do as long as, you know, they're old enough and they know how to be safe with the blade, with the cutting blade part. So I'm going to make 4 of these. And what we're going to do is we're going to take these 4 slices, and we are going to take a piece of meat. I'm actually going to cut my meat also. I'm gonna take 2 slices. These pieces of ham from Walmart are kind of long, and we don't want the whole piece of ham. So I'm just going to take 2 pieces or 2 slices, and then I'm just going to cut the slices in half. So well, maybe I should have pulled them out in 2 slices. I can't get them to lay like they were laying in the package. Okay, fine. Little bit of a trouble with the meat. Ay. Here, I'm gonna lay it down. I'm laying my meat down. Okay, so I'm gonna lay the meat down, and I'm just gonna cut it as best as half as I can. That's probably like not half, but that's close to half. Okay, so we're gonna take a slice of apple, and then we're gonna take a slice of cheese. Oops, you're out of frame. There we go. We're gonna take a slice of apple and put on each one, and a slice of cheese. And then we're just going to take and we're just going to roll it. And it's called a ham apple roll. And then you just roll the ham. And if you want to stick a toothpick in there to hold it together, but it's just that's just a real quick, easy apple. Now, the recipe that I saw on Pinterest had used Granny Smith's. And I love Granny Smith apples. But I just happen to have these Gala apples, so I think I'm just going to use what I have. So I would say, hey, why not? Use what you got, because, you know, whatever you have, if you have it, use it. So we'll just wrap, oops, I got to put the cheese on it. Cheese. And this is something your child can help you do. It's a fun little thing, easy, healthy snack. And maybe throw some grapes on a plate and make like a little fun little charcuterie snack charcuterie. Anyways, so and this is also, it could be for lunch. If you don't want to send sandwiches to lunch with them, you could send this, you know, to lunch with them. But anyways, that's kind of a ham cheese roll. I've never had this. I'm sure it is probably savory with the salty and the sweetness of the apple and the creaminess with the cheese. But let me take a bite and I'll let you know what I think. Very good. I think I found a new lunch. That is good. With some crackers. But it's good even just by itself. So here's a little snack idea that you can do with your child. Very easy to make. So I want to encourage you, find time to spend time with your children. Cook with them. Spend time in the kitchen with them, so that you can develop close relationships and fun memories and just have a good time with them. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And please comment below, what do you think about this? Are you going to try it? I'll try to put the list of ingredients that I use for this in my description. And I hope that you come back and watch these videos. Subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel, because every week on Wednesdays I'm going to be putting out cooking videos with kids, and every Friday I'm putting out craft videos with kids. And then coming up soon, I don't know when, I'm going to be doing a little Bible study for kids. And so I haven't decided what day I'm going to be launching that out, but I am going to be doing it. It's going to come up. So I'm looking forward to sharing this with you guys, and just being just having some fun with sharing just the fun of cooking. And maybe someday I'll be able to get some of my nieces to come and join me, and we'll have fun together. So y'all have a great day, and thank you so much for watching.